you guys, here lately I have been on a search for an affordable drugstore matte foundation, and by gosh, I think I found it. I was strolling through the beauty aisle at my local Walmart and I decided to give the RIMMEL Stay Matte Foundation a try. I picked up the 504 Deep Mocha, which is the darkest shade that RIMMEL had to offer, and by luck, I think it's a good match for my skin. I use an e.l.f. cosmetic stipple blush to apply the foundation to my skin, and then I buff it out using a BH Cosmetics flat foundation brush. Now, to give you some background on my skin, I do have normal to dry skin with some lines on my forehead. With that being said, I try to stay away from matte foundations because, in my opinion, they make your lines more obvious. However, there are some good things about matte foundation that I do like. Number one, matte foundation looks well under bright lights and also looks well under camera. Also, matte finish foundations help to minimize the shine, and that is awesome for my beauties with oily skin and dark marks. Okay, I also went to RIMMEL's website and researched the product a little bit further, and here's what RIMMEL had to say. They're saying that the foundation is feather light with a liquid mousse consistency that blends flawlessly for natural looking all day shine control. I do agree with that. They say that it's silky smooth. Formula leaves a perfectly matte baby soft finish. Again, I agree with that as well. I love the finish. And that the texture is lightweight and it won't feel heavy or greasy. I agree with that as well. Says that it minimizes the appearance of pores and is also oil free. I do agree with both of those, with pores not being maximized. However, it will catch your lines if you don't buff out. And I didn't see a lot of oil. Now, as you can see here, I am buffing my foundation out using that BH Cosmetics matte foundation powder foundation. And to me, going behind the cream foundation with a powder helps to set your foundation. It buffs it out so that you don't see lines from this stippling brush, and you're also going to get a couple more hours on your foundation, so it's going to stay in place. Now, when we get into price of the foundation, I found it to be from $3.95 to $5.97, with Target having the lowest price at $3.95. I purchased mine from Walmart. It was about $4.30. I don't really remember specifically, but Target has it at the cheapest. I actually have some links here to Amazon here. They have it at about the same price as Target. So if you have Amazon Prime and would like to have it delivered to your house, you can click on the links here in my article and also here in the video, and you can order there. Now, the pros to this product, I think, is that it does give a full coverage look with a matte finish like it says on the advertising description. It does last all day with very little oxidation, and the price is super affordable. However, these things are great, but there's the con that I must give to you. It's not a shade to match all skin tones. Currently, RIMMEL only has 5 shades right now, so it may be difficult to match your shade. Hey, RIMMEL, step your game up. It's 2018. Based on, data, I'm quite sure you know who the biggest spenders are when it comes to retail. So you should have something for my people, for my dark skin brothers and sisters, and you do not. So on my rating scale, which I do give a 1 to 3 rating, 1 being the worst, 3 being the best, you got a 2. And the reason why you received a 2 is because you met expectations. However, you could improve in either price or performance. And when I say performance, I mean color range. Had that not been for the lack of color range for people of color, you would have gotten a 3 for me. Overall, I do like the product. I do like the finish. I do like the price. However, for folks who can't get their shade in this, I'm quite sure they can find something else out there. Hey, believe my girl Rihanna's out there with that Fenty. She just about has a shade for everyone. I have a video to that here, which I'm going to link in the description box. You should see it pop up here somewhere as well. So there we are on that. If you like this video, click like, definitely subscribe to the channel, and if you found this to be helpful, share it with someone so you can help me to help someone as well. Thank you so much for watching, and stay beautiful, you guys. I love you so much.